Hi guys, welcome to Imagine with ImagineWithIlluminArt. So my name is Miss Miranda, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can deal with hard times. So recently, I know that you guys started your first week of transitioning from regular school to online school. I give up.
Nope, not doing it. Good night.
School, or even homeschooling, and I want you guys to know that you aren't alone because I had to do the same thing. I'm currently a college student studying to become a teacher someday, and I had to download all these crazy new apps and learn how to use them.
This is a picture of me learning how to use these apps.
And I even had to try and find a quiet place in my house, which is almost impossible.
Guys, can you lower that? I really gotta do this for school and work, please? Maybe? Can you just...
Okay, so first thing that I found that has really helped me during this hard time is writing. So currently, I'm writing a play. It is about a girl who struggles with hard times. She struggles with some family issues, some school issues, and everything just kind of unravels at once. I'm only on the first page, but I consider that progress. So some things that kind of help me write, usually it's how I'm feeling that day when I wake up. It's a family member. Sometimes it could even be as simple as listening to some songs that I really like. That helps too. I sometimes spend the entire day in my room, unless I'm running down the stairs to get food.
This is me running down the stairs.
Which is often. Or to get water. I get thirsty, okay? But I have this super cool speaker thing in my room that allows me to play music. And I find that when I'm doing chores, it makes it more fun. And it allows me to relax. And I get to sing and dance around and listen to my favorite show tunes. So, like, who doesn't want to do that? So if you're going to be working on the voice or if you're going to be singing, this is a quick little warm-up that I have found that works. It's just singing 5 notes on ah. Doesn't even have to sound super crazy or super neat or whatever, or perfect, whatever that means to you guys. It's just supposed to allow the voice to kind of be strong, make the diaphragm really nice and tight, allow you to take a good breath. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So, how I like to warm up my voice. I don't mind sitting down. Sometimes I stand, but today I'm going to sit for you guys. I'm going to show you that your belly is supposed to be really nice and tight. So when you take a deep breath out, you're supposed to expand. And then when you breathe in, you want it nice and tight, like really rock hard. Like, oh, like you can't, you want it nice and tight in there. So what I like to do, take a breath out, is I like to breathe in and hold it as tight as I can. And then I sing 5 notes on ah, going down. So I go, ah. And it doesn't have to sound good. You just want to make sure the 5 notes are out, they're strong, and they're loud. And I probably do that for about 5 minutes a day. And you don't want to do it all in one shot because you're breathing in, you're holding really, really tight. So I just kind of set a timer, and I'll pause it, take a couple breaths, go about my day, come back to it. And that's how I like to start when I'm doing my music time, whether I'm singing some songs like the one I did before from Dear Evan Hansen, if I'm just dancing around and I sing, or if I'm practicing for a show or my schoolwork. That is just a little tip that I like to use that you guys can actually do at home. And if it works, you'll find that over the course of time, your voice will get nice and strong. You'll be able to sing notes that you probably never sang before. And it's a little trick that a voice teacher taught me a little while back. And I found that it really, really works and it changes you drastically. So I hope that works for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Quick little shout out to my little beans at PS10 and PS59. And if you're new here, hi again. My name is Miss Miranda. I am a teaching artist apprentice here with ImagineWithIlluminArt Productions. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on this YouTube channel. And don't forget to tell your friends. Bye, guys.